One of the very unique features that differentiates the Gore Bell lift device from really any traditional lifting device that has this coil cord assembly on it is the presence of this air and electric collector or swivel. What this allows me to do is actually spin the load below this point, or spin the load and the handle below this point. Now, in an actual application where an operator is using this, if the operator would tend to lift and pick up the load and set the load back down and then continue in 360-degree motion and continue to do that, what ends up happening with any device that has any kind of a coil cord like this is it gets very tangled up, and it's a maintenance issue. It can result in downtime, increased maintenance costs. What this will allow you to do now is no longer damage this coil cord because of continuously rotating. Now you don't have to rely on the operators using the device properly to prevent maintenance issues. This simply is going to take care of that for you. Okay, with the swivel assembly, again, it does carry both electric and air signal all the way through this swivel point here. And the way that will happen is this connection right here is our connection for the coil cord to bring all the signals that operate the G-force, as well as input-output signals, which we'll talk about in a little bit, through this connect right here. And the Q and IQ unit both have a CAN bus interface, which is a simple two-wire data stream that will run back in here, which allows you to put quite a bit of input and output on the tool itself and carry it back through the swivel point on a two-wire feed. That connection point will be right here. And then for the air, if you have an air-powered end effector or any kind of air need below the swivel point, you actually would come over to this port right here, pipe your air into that port, and then that will also carry through the swivel assembly and come out right here at this air connection.